Hello friends, this is Lenny Hajinsu. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Today I am reviewing Secret Key Starting Treatment Kit. This kit offers mini version of Secret Key's best selling products, Essence, Eye Cream and Face Cream. It claims that products are formulated with skin brightening galactomyces that target pigmentation, improve elasticity, and reduce wrinkles, giving your skin a youthful and moisturized look. Galactomyces is considered the best use for the skin. It has wrinkle improvement, skin refinement, elasticity, whitening, soothing, sebum control, and moisturization properties. This is me before using the kit. I have textured and bumpy skin. I have pigmentation here and there. I have little pimples on my entire face, especially on the forehead. Also, I have enlarged pores with blackheads. My skin type is quite dry and sensitive, so let us see how this kit will perform on my skin. Firstly, we have a Secret Key Starting Treatment Essence that is a hydrating toner. It claims to offer bright and firm skin. It comes in a transparent plastic bottle that makes it easier to see how much product is left. One thing that I like about this kit is that it has English instructions for us international customers. It made everything so easy for me. I like how a limited amount comes out from the toner bottle while using it, so there are few to no chances of spilling it. This essence is runny like water but hydrates your skin instantly. It has a tea tree scent that isn't overpowering. It absorbs in your skin well without leaving any sticky finish. Next, we have Secret Key Starting Treatment Cream in a tube. It claims to contain ceramide, galactomyces yeast, ginseng extract, and nourishing oils derived from nuts to form a moisture-locking barrier on the skin, keeping skin moisturized for up to 24 hours, free of parabens, ethanol, mineral oils, dyes, and benzophenone. The texture of this cream is more like a gel, and it feels lightweight on the skin. It absorbs in the skin rapidly, leaving it soft and hydrating. You can see my dry, textured, and rough skin here, and as I'm applying this cream, my skin is feeling nourished. The roughness is gone. Tebak. Lastly, we have Secret Key Starting Treatment Eye Cream in a tube. It claims to be enriched with galactomyces, shea butter, several seed oils, flower, and herbal extracts. It also claims that it offers moisture, whitens, and reduces wrinkles around the sensitive eye area. This cream has a gel-like texture and it absorbs into the skin instantly. It is one of my favorite eye creams ever because it plumps up the eye area. It is a cream that I would recommend to use even before makeup as it smoothens the fine lines right away. That's how I look after applying everything. My skin looks bright, hydrated, and not feeling sticky at all. My dull skin texture has transformed into a smooth one. So I will see you guys after 29 days. Bye! Can you notice the difference? Let us observe. So, my skin's overall texture has improved a lot. It does not seem dull anymore. It is nourished and brighter now. My pores visibly look smaller and the pimples are gone too. This kit did not irritate my skin at all, though I have quite sensitive skin. It was quite soothing and relieving for my dry and flaky skin throughout. My under eye area is brighter than before too. It looks plumped up than a month ago. This kit didn't do much for my blemishes and pigmentation, but overall, my skin looks quite even. I will rate this kit a 5 by 5 and will recommend you guys to try it out. Secret Key Treatment Eye Cream is my favorite product from this kit and I will repurchase it once I finish it. Do let me know in the comments which product did you found worth purchasing and why. Bye!